Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we're back today with another video, man. So look, man, your boy's been back on the channel, man, so make sure I subscribe, leave a like. I think I dropped 3 or 4 videos this past week, and there's only gonna be more coming. Like, the next vid is gonna be a banger. Like, I'm dropping a tutorial on how to lace your Nike Dunk Lows, because I've seen a lot of people with Nike Dunk Lows and they don't know how to lace them, bro. To be honest, it's easy. You just gotta tie them up. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. But today we are just here with another sneaker review. It is the Jordan 6 Bordeaux colorway. It's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I have the Bordeaux 7s. My pair, you see all those sneakers, is in that closet all the way on top. So I won't be able to access my pair, but I do have my friend's pair right here. He wanted me to re-glue the sole. I don't really see nothing wrong with it, but I guess he wanted me to re-glue it again. But yeah, here's the Bordeaux 7s. These are definitely way better because it's a classic, and this is from 2011, the better color, the better release, because it has the lighter gray on the midsole and the tips. They got the steel tips, as y'all can see. But yeah, my pair is back there, so I'm just gonna use this as a comparison. Seeing this release though, it was a pretty solid colorway. Like, doesn't compare to the 7, but it's still a pretty solid colorway in my opinion. And if you guys were looking for these on release day, a lot of stores, boutiques were delayed on their shipment. I don't know if because it was the hurricane on the East Coast, like that affected like a whole bunch, New York, New Orleans, the whole like East Coast. This shit was flooded. I'm in New York, so in New York City, like the highways and all that was flooded for like a day. And yeah, well, here we have it. I was able to pick up a couple pairs from Foot Lockers, but like I said, a lot of boutiques are delayed. So, and then a lot of bigger stores didn't get them. So you guys should be on the lookout for restocks. I was able to pick up a few pairs. Let's just get into the unboxing, man. On the box is a regular Jordan 6 box right here. Black on top. It has the flip open. Then it has the cement print going across the middle. Has the Jordan Jumpman over here. And the size tag is right there if it wants to focus. This is a size 9, so I'll be providing you guys an on foot, and the color code reads Black Bordeaux Light Graphite, and retail on these was $190. So yeah, man, basically regular Jordan 6 box. Now let's get into the unboxing. Just flipping it open. On the inside you have the white interior. You know, you got the white interior, like, you know, it's a wet, bro. This one got a white interior. The Lightnings had a yellow interior, man. Which one got the red interior? I don't even know. Here is the paper that comes with most Jordans. This one has like the cement print because it's a 6. I think the 6, 5s, and the 4s all come with like the cement print paper on the inside. And kaboom, voila. Right here is the sneaker, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about first impressions on these. I personally don't think they're too bad, but a lot of people think that they're pretty bad. Y'all let me know what was y'all first impressions on these. Obviously y'all clicked on this video to, you know, get a more in-depth look at them. And talking about more in-depth looks, let's just cut to a B-roll so you can get a really in-depth look. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys took a deeper look at the sneaker. Any details that you guys noticed or liked, colorways, you know. But yeah, talk about colorway. Let's get into the colorway breakdown. So right here is made up of like 3 different colors. So like they said, it was black, Bordeaux, and light graphite. So you got the black going around right here. I don't even know how to describe this. I guess this is around the back of the shoe, and then on this design of the sneaker right here on the 6s. And then you have the light graphite, which is my favorite color of the shoe. I feel like the light graphite is such an underrated color. Like, it's so clean. Like, even though this pair is dirty, like the light graphite is such a clean colorway on a Jordan. And yeah, you have the light graphite on the toe box, and then for these panels in the middle right here, and this small right here. Same thing on the inside. The midsole is black and light graphite. So you got the black on the shark, I think this is like the shark teeth or the mountains, whatever you want to call it. And then right here for this part of the midsole is in that light graphite. Above the arrow unit is in black, and then the back is in that light graphite as well. And then last but not least, the outsole is in black and light graphite, with the icy part being in light graphite with a, what color is that, young man? Is it yellow? I believe it's yellow. So they got yellow, or if it's like a orange. I don't know, I'm pretty colorblind, so y'all let me know. It's a bright color. Is it yellow or is it orange? I don't know. And then you also have this Bordeaux color, which I said is like a wine. So you have it right here on the tongue going up. Also for this part with the Jordan Jumpman, where you put your laces under, the Jordan Jumpman is in black, and the tongue up here is in that light graphite as well. Now one of my favorite features of this sneaker is the inside of it. So as you guys can see, underneath the tongue, it has the same pattern that the Jordan 7s has on the tongue. So it's like a little design, I guess it's like the Bordeaux design that's classic in the Jordan line. And then same thing with the insole, you guys can see it has that design as well. So it's like a, you know, burgundy, black, and then that like bluish. So that's really nice. And then also the pull tab is in that Bordeaux burgundy with this green, I think. Is that green? Now talking about material, the upper is made of suede. Midsole is just this foam material. It's like Phylon, I think. I don't even know if that is Phylon, but it's the midsole that comes on like Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s, all that type of midsole, man. It's that hard midsole. Suede on the upper, mesh on the tongue, and then the midsole, and then rubber for the outsole. And that pretty much breaks down the colorway and material. Oh, don't forget the plastic on the pull tab. Can't forget that. But yeah, that pretty much breaks down the colorway and materials of the sneaker. Now for sizing on Jordan 6s, I do recommend you guys going true to size. Yeah, so if you're a 9, get a 9. If you're a 10, get a 10. And make sure y'all loosen up this before y'all put your foot in there, or you're gonna get creases like around here, everywhere, man. So yeah, just make sure y'all loosen up the pass, like this lace lock or whatever, and y'all should be good to go. Now as for comfort on Jordan 6s, they're not the most comfortable pair of sneakers, but they cool. Yeah, I'll probably give it like 6 out of 10. Nothing too crazy. It's kind of like 4. It's kind of like bulky, and then it's also a high cut. Like, you gotta think it was made for basketball, but the tech they had available back then wasn't really like all that superior for basketball. So yeah, 6 out of 10 as for comfort. Now let's just cut to our on feet. I'm gonna throw them on with some pants. You could do it like putting it over, which looks really nice on the 6s, or like before, you could just, you know, put it on top. But yeah, y'all let me know, man. With that being said, let's cut to the b-roll of the on feet, and then come wrap things up with the resale prediction and my final opinion. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, hopefully you guys like the look. Yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about these, man. As for resale now, these are actually doing really well in the aftermarket, just because I don't think a lot of pairs have been how do you say, received by stores. So right now they're going for like $260 to $300 on certain sizes, like men's sizes, and grade school is around, I believe, $180 to $200. Because retail on grade school is only $140 for these, and men's sizes is $190. So it's pretty good for resale. I honestly think that these will drop once stores get more shipments in, because I think they made a good amount of this sneaker. I'm not too sure about the stock numbers, but they should have a good amount of these, just because like the House of Hoops and stuff like that they even get yet. So right now it's pretty limited, so I would suggest you selling them now. And then if you guys want to pick these back up for retail in the future, definitely do that. So yeah, my resale prediction right now would just be selling it, because $300 is a really good price to get these all for. So yeah, make sure y'all, if y'all can, just get them all for like close to $300. Now wrap things up with my final opinion. Will I be adding these to my collection? Probably not, just because I have the Bordeaux 7s, even though like the midsole on those are falling apart. But yeah, this pair is just really, it's kind of like a OG twist, but a new colorway, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't think they ever released Bordeaux 6s before. But still pretty clean, just won't be you know, not making a cut to my personal collection. So I would sell these, man. But yeah, let me know what your opinions are down below in the comments. Make sure I leave a like on this video. Were you able to secure a pair? Are you guys looking forward to, you know, the restock? Yeah, just let me know, man. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. Your boy's coming back with more videos, but we out.